I'm checking Ali. Still there? You got him?
No, you pushed the barricade.
I got Ali, so no worry.
You have Richard here?
Ali at least. Unless they come through Kill House, they cannot come through us. I want to jump through this window, bro. Wait, is it clear? I'm gonna go through the bathroom. Surrender! Surrender! You coming out? Okay. Surrender! Move up, move up!
Go get him, Delvin, go get him.
Kev! Move up! Surrender! Oh! Surrender!
Oh.
Oh, I got guys 1919!